Hi everyone, Sarah here from Sarah Homfray Embroidery. So it's time to do the draw for our Studio Flax linen thread giveaway. So thank you to everybody who entered. We had over 700 entries, but 4 of you are going to win. So let's see who you are. So well done, Lynn Marie B and Cherry Moore. You both get one of these box sets of the linen threads, and I'll tell you how to get hold of that in a minute, but let's pick the other 2 winners of the packs. So well done, Francine Langlois. I hope I've said that right, Francine, and Gina Wright. So you both get one of the packs of threads like this one here. So to everybody who has won, we will reply to your comment that you left. So do check that to see if you have won. And we will leave you contact details for you to get in touch so that we can send your threads out to you. If you haven't done that in a couple of weeks, we will need to redraw again so somebody gets the thread. So do make sure you check your messages. So if you weren't lucky enough to win this time, you can still head over to the Studio Flax website, that's studioflax.co.uk, and see all of the beautiful things they've got. But do keep watching the channel because there will be more giveaways and more opportunities to win some beautiful embroidery goodies.